Welcome to the Gold Standard, a guide to GOTS Certification 2026. This guide emphasizes radical transparency from field to fashion. It highlights the journey from organic raw materials like cotton to sustainable finishes in textiles. Updated in February 2026, this guide is your roadmap to understanding GOTS certification. GOTS, the Global Organic Textile Standard, is more than a farming standard. It covers the entire supply chain, ensuring environmental and social responsibility. With 441 certified facilities across 87 countries, GOTS protects over 4 million workers and approves 24,000-plus chemicals, setting a global benchmark for organic textiles. Understanding the grade distinction is crucial. Organic label grade requires at least 95% certified organic fibers, allowing a maximum of 5% non-organic fibers. Made with organic requires 70% organic fibers, permitting up to 30% non-organic. Design Delight Studio ensures all products meet the premium organic label grade. The transparent thread journey involves 6 stages: organic farming, ginning, spinning, wet processing, manufacturing, and trading. Each step is independently audited by ISO 17065 accredited bodies, ensuring compliance with GOTS standards and maintaining integrity throughout the supply chain. Roots of purity begin with farming and ginning. Soil must be free from synthetic chemicals for over 3 years before harvest. The GOTS Farm Gin Registry tracks cotton from farm to processor, ensuring separation of organic and conventional cotton to prevent contamination, upholding the Design Delight Studio standard. The chemistry of safety in processing and dyeing is vital. GOTS bans toxic substances like heavy metals and formaldehyde, ensuring safe textiles. With over 24,000 approved chemicals, mandatory wastewater treatment, and pH testing, GOTS prioritizes both environmental and skin safety in textile production. Protecting the hands that weave is a priority. GOTS standards, based on ILO, UN, and OECD norms, ensure no child or forced labor, living wages, safe conditions, and freedom of association. This commitment protects over 4 million workers globally, reinforcing ethical practices in the textile industry. Integrity in packaging and logistics is essential. GOTS, certification for traders and importers, maintains the chain of custody. PVC is banned in packaging, with a preference for recycled materials. A transaction certificate is required for every shipment, ensuring the product's authenticity from factory to consumer. The Chemical Safety Scorecard highlights GOTS's commitment to safety. Banned substances include GMOs, heavy metals, and formaldehyde. Required practices include oxygen-based bleaching and wastewater treatment. GOTS ensures pH compatibility with human skin and uses approved dyes, setting a high standard for chemical safety. GOTS is the gold standard for organic textiles, combining organic content, chemical safety, social standards, and environmental criteria. Unlike OECO-TEX 100 and OCS, GOTS covers the full supply chain, ensuring comprehensive compliance and setting a benchmark for sustainable and ethical textile production. Verification is key. The GOTS label includes the official logo, label grade, certification body, and license number. Enter the license number in the GOTS public database to validate certification, ensuring transparency and trust in the organic textile claims made by manufacturers. Introducing the Brick by Brick Organic Hoodie, priced at $54.99. This sustainable streetwear piece is GOTS organic grade with over 95% organic cotton. It's a premium garment, free from formaldehyde and toxic heavy metals, embodying radical transparency and commitment to organic integrity. The Neon Saturn Organic t-shirt, priced at $24.99, combines retro space style with GOTS organic grade. Vibrant colors are achieved using only GOTS Positive List approved dyes and oxygen-based bleaching, ensuring a sustainable and stylish choice for conscious consumers. The Design Delight Studio promise ensures maximum transparency through a suite of certifications beyond GOTS. We do the homework so you can wear the story, offering products that meet global standards for organic, recycled, fair trade, and vegan certifications, ensuring ethical and sustainable fashion. Wear the truth with 100% verified sources and radical transparency, updated for 2026. Explore the GOTS certified collection and verify licenses in the GOTS database. Design Delight Studio commits to authenticity and sustainability, offering products that align with your values and the planet's needs.